Tuloy jamse tumane beating of love drum ukhapan na halang. Sa kam sulana ukhapan na halang mola.
The log drum, a sacred pulse of the Naga village, has long stood as guardian of time and tradition. Once a treasure of clans, it remains a relic of power. Its voice commanding the attention of the skies, which to each rhythmic strike, the air trembles, carrying messages of urgency, celebration and honor, echoing the past, anchoring the present. The sacred beating of the log drum, known as the Kham Mai, signals the dawn of a new season. A prayer for the earth's bounty. It is the heartbeat of the village, summoning blessings from the spirit, whispering invocations of prosperity, health and protection. The drum's call transcends time, reaching the divine realm, ensuring the prayers of the people are heard. And so, as the stand joys rhythm, may the Almighty grace of the harvest reach and plentiful. May the drum's reverberation shatter discord, weaving peace into the fabric of our land. Let the sound rise high, let it be heard across mountains and rivers, and may the land of Ang be forever blessed with unity, abundance and harmony. Voices rising like a river's flow. At the center, lead singers chant, guiding the dancers as feet carve intricate patterns upon the air.